finally going and riding the famous Huli alla Raja Huli. So it's 10RR. So let me ride and rip. So Apram is taking Tilak's Speed Triple. So I am going on the 10RR. Problem is, if I ride this, I will feel my bike is not that powered. So specs and all, basically, you know, this has a Acropovich full system because headers is titanium, more or less it is a full system itself. And the best part is this, the dash, the beautiful dash. Oh, this definitely feels heavy. So the different way to start is this. So you have to put it here, okay, and then press this. So let's roll. Ayyo. So it is very different. Like clutch could have been better. Wow, 6R sounds nice. It's like words on the. So first time on the 10RR. This is actually slightly less aggressive than the 6R. 6R feels a little more. Whoa! This is very powerful. Nice. Nice. It is really difficult for me to ride because it's very powerful. Because I don't come from a leader class. I need to definitely get used to leader class. Holy shit! I'm really... Man, this is really powerful. You need to be very, very careful to ride this one. Oh, my helmet strap has come out. Nice. So this has about 8 level traction control in this. It has full power mode and high power mode, more like most of the Kawasaki's. And it is really powerful. You need to have that little bit more skill. People who come from the torquey Buza can somehow manage riding it. But for me, it looks really powerful. Because I'm not able to redline once also. Like once is like difficult. Brakes could have been better. If you have a auto flipper, you actually don't need the brakes at all. What do I say about the bike? It's really good. But there are some limitations to this bike. Like really powerful, you need to have it in the right hand. Also, I think because of the aftermarket brake lever, it sounds little different. Like when you apply, you don't get it properly. It's quite far from my taste. Throttle response is actually pretty good. Let's push it in a corner, let's see. It's very powerful than 6R, man. Very, very powerful. You need to get used to this power very badly, or else it's going to spare your life. Definitely 6R, somehow you can actually make sure you control, but this thing, you make a mistake, you're gone. In that, it gives you some time to correct. This one, you have to be spot on. But I think people who ride Buza, for them it is nothing. But for me, who is more riding 6R, I've ridden a 10R, but this thing is a different animal altogether. Like animal means it's a different character. Let's see how much low it can go on the 6 gear. We'll check the final drive of this. So maybe I'll take it to, let's see. $100, $80, $60, $68, $70, $78, $79, $55, $40. Will it pull? There's some lag, but it does pull. This is slightly less aggressive than the 6R for sure. 6R, it is even more aggressive. This one is slightly better. You can ride this peacefully. 6R, I'm literally sleeping. This has also a little more room to move around. That's the best part. You need to tuck in and then open the throttle. Then it's gonna be more fun. Also, the gear lever is slightly higher. It is like my feet goes up a little. It's not like right next to your feet. You have to lift your leg like this and then flip it. It can also be because of the cover that it has. It has a rubber support for the gear. Maybe because of that the height has gone a bit. You can reach home even faster in this because in that 80, this is 140. That's the difference, right? Exactly twice power, but I feel the front end is slightly heavier, which is okay. Nice. But it's not that aggressive as 6R. 6R is more aggressive. I can definitely tell that because I'm not getting that back pain or wrist pain. Feels slightly better. The new 10R is more aggressive actually. than the 6R also. But that has like things like cruise control, etc. So that will help you a lot. So let me put the fuel. I think I'm putting to 500 the fuel on my 6R. So 510 for this fuel, there 500, and that one again full tank. This like Sarrik sound madatidu. Also this is 2018 or 17, I guess 18 or 19, either of the years made motorcycle, and this is a completely built unit. But this thing needs to be revved hell out of it. Tenor on steroids is the guy who enjoyed this motorcycle more. With this sort of riding gear, it's actually difficult to ride because this thing slips away from my body. If I have leathers, it's much more easier to ride. After riding this, if I ride 6R, I feel this bike is nothing. Nice. Because the front end is so heavy, the feel can be little better. I think tires are not doing much justice. Maybe if you slap on Rosso 3 or Super Kosha, I think it will stick more harder. Is my perception, I can be wrong, but that's what is my gut feeling, because the feel of the motorcycle is taking away so much from the tire of what pedestrian has. It can also, because this tire is also brand new. I think Apram has just clocked like less than 400 or 500 kilometers for this, so it's possible that it can be because of that as well. Let's see. But very unpredictable power, man. That's another problem. Man, fucking I wanted this stretch. Easily you can do 200. I'll get used to this. 2 or 3 rides, this is manageable. This is not scaring me like Hayabusa. Same breed, no? But I need to be a little more cautious in the corners. Most important thing that you need to get used to. Now I understand why Apram was going so fast. This thing has insane power. See, check out those two, they're like extremely far from me. Sometimes it is also the bike. I think this Tenor and steroids is there, right? That guy is the guy who is ripped up at this motorcycle left, right, center. He has lived the motorcycle to the fullest. This definitely cannot be ridden by a normal guy. There goes my baby. M4. You can easily catch 6R in this. One throttle open, 6R will be next to this. But that 6R is difficult because it is tuned. Nice, good bike. With that, this is all about the ZX10RR. So this is a 2018 model. It has an Acropoch full system, no much mods other than the basic crash protection. It's been maintained very well. And this is not DV in Kannada's bike. It's our friend's Apram bike. So this is not Huli, this is called Raju Huli. With that, peace. So that's the ZX10RR. Too difficult to vlog when I'm exhausted and also have luggage, etc. But maybe next time. Let's see. Until next time. So it is actually one of 500 and you can't find this anywhere. In Karnataka there's only 4. In entire India there's only 7 motorcycles that was given to India. So all has been sold. One is with Apram. And this is not DVs, this is not Tenor and steroids. This is not Thrill on wheels, whatever his Instagram handle, and this is not from the Saints of Speed group. It's very for reference, see the number, it's K32. All other are Bangalore registered. This is Belgaum registered. Let's see with that we'll disperse and we'll exit. Let's roll.